Hello, Dan. I am Elizabeth, your personal mental health counselor. How do you feel today?
Hi, Elizabeth. I am feeling okay today, although I had some issue this morning after getting up from bed.
I'm glad you're here today, Dan. Could you tell me a bit more about what happened this morning?
Well, when I woke up, I just felt really tired and unmotivated. It's like my body was awake, but my mind wasn't ready to face the day. I had a pile of emails waiting for me, and I couldn't bring myself to start.
That sounds exhausting. It seems like you've been carrying a lot of mental and physical fatigue. How long have you been feeling this way?
For about 2 months now. Ever since our company took on 3 new projects, I've been working late nights, even on weekends. As a supervisor, I feel like everything depends on me. And if something goes wrong, it's my fault.
That's a heavy burden to carry, Dan. It sounds like you've been under significant stress. When you say you've been working late nights, how much sleep do you usually get?
Maybe 4 or 5 hours, sometimes less. I tell myself I'll rest after the project ends, but there's always another deadline.
Lack of rest can seriously affect your mood, focus, and motivation. Have you noticed any changes in your emotions or behavior lately?
Yes, actually, I get irritated more easily, especially with my team. Small mistakes set me off, and I end up feeling guilty later. At home, I barely talk to anyone. I just want to be left alone.
That's understandable, Dan. Emotional exhaustion often makes us withdraw or react more strongly than we mean to. It sounds like your mind is signaling that it needs a break. Have you had any moments recently when you were able to relax or do something for yourself?
Not really. Even when I try to rest, my mind keeps racing about unfinished work. Sometimes I can't even enjoy a simple meal without thinking about what I need to do next.
It sounds like your stress is constant, like there's no off switch. That's very common in people who are high performers and take their responsibilities seriously. But your body and mind are asking for recovery time. Would you be open to exploring some strategies to help you find balance again?
Yes, absolutely. I really need to figure out how to manage this.
Great. We can start with small, realistic steps. For example, scheduling short breaks during work hours, even just 5 minutes to stretch or breathe deeply, can reduce stress. Also, setting a clear cutoff time in the evening when you stop checking work messages can help your brain switch out of work mode. Do you think that's something you could try?
It sounds simple enough. I guess I've been ignoring those small things because I thought they wouldn't make much difference.
Sometimes it's the smallest changes that help us regain control. We'll also work on ways to reframe how you view your responsibilities so you can maintain your professionalism without overwhelming yourself.
That would be helpful. I don't want to keep feeling like this. I want to be able to enjoy my work and my life again.
And that's a wonderful goal, Dan. You've already taken a big first step by talking about what's been happening. We'll work together to rebuild your energy, create healthy boundaries, and develop coping tools to manage stress effectively.
Thank you, Elizabeth. Just talking about it already makes me feel a bit lighter.
You're very welcome. I'm glad to hear that. Let's take this one step at a time. You're not alone in this process. We'll meet again next week and check in on how the small changes are working for you.
Sounds good. I appreciate your help.
Of course, Dan. Take care of yourself this week. And remember, it's okay to rest. You deserve it.